Alright guys, well, I'm just changing out this pad on the DA real quick because it's different than the one that comes with it. This one has some Velcro on it. That way I can stick the pads to it and just, it makes it easier. And then the guy that from the store where I bought him says that the Velcro creates that little extra space to give it air and it keeps the sandpaper cooler. I also bought this 3M interface pad, which is like a cushion. That way when you use it on the part, it kind of fits to the contours of the body part of the body panel. That way you don't go digging it in and creating dents. So that'll be super useful too. Alright guys, well, I'm sanding this thing down and I was trying to get this to smoothen out, but as I keep sanding it like flakes off, so I think it's just plasti dip on there. Here's what I mean. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm just able to like peel it off and it just comes, look, there you go. It just comes off in little pieces and I don't want to, yeah. So I think I'm just gonna bring out the fenders and start working on those. Here's the driver's side fender. It's all cleaned off with wax and grease remover. This one is one of the aftermarket ones I got, so it's already primed. I just need to sand it down with the 320 to get it ready for the sealer and then paint afterwards. And this will be easy, so it'll move quick and then we'll be able to do the passenger side fender as well. I finished up the driver's side fender with the DA. I just need to go into the tighter spots by hand, but we got the passenger side fender ready now, all cleaned up. So now time to sand this one. Alright, well here's the final result after the sanding. Honestly, looking at it now, I think I'm just gonna have to primer both fenders again because it says that they come primered, but it's maybe like a coat. It's super thin, so it's not like the sanding was a waste of time though, because we would have had to do it anyway. But they'll both for sure be getting primered. But yeah, so now that these are done, I think I'm gonna move on to the door, and then from the door to the rear quarter. And while I do that, I'm also gonna try to get some plasti dip remover, or some people on TikTok were recommending goof off or a heat gun too. So I'm gonna give those a shot and hopefully something will work so we can get to working on the bumper as well. But for now, that's where we're gonna leave it off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.